Finger on the button, Barry.
I'm on the button.
We gotta see how fast this thing can stop. All right, you ready?
I'm scared.
Oh man!
Ooh.
Boom, Barry! That is crazy. That is the craziest cut.
The next day.
Oh man! Dude, 644 cubic inches per minute. Oh, ooh, that's a big chip there.
You guys wanted to see the chips? Here they are.
Check out these inserts right there. Beautiful. These are finishing inserts.
This tool is available in our online store, so make sure you check out the link in the description.
Oh man, that was crazy. Check out that tool. That tool looks insanely good. Oh man, look at the blue chips. 45 degrees straight down all the way through. Don't do this in your own shop. We went after it right here.